Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll show how to install netframework 3.5 online. All of you know netframework 3.5 not individually useful software, but it helpful as a supporting software because so many Windows softwares who is running based on netframework 3.5. So let's move on to the regarding issue how to install it. Viewers, to install netframework 3.5 directly from internet, you have to go to the Microsoft website and download from your desired version netframework 3.5. Go to Google and write down here netframework 3.5 .NET framework 3.5 download, and go to the first site. This is the Microsoft site. Go and click here to download manually. Yeah, already it's given the download option. Save file. Yeah, it's saving 2.7 MB only. Yeah, just open with folder. This is the .NET Framework 3.5 installer file. Right click, run as administrator, and you have to press on yes to make change your PC. Press on yes and you will get this Windows feature window, and download and install. Click on download and install this feature. Click. It's searching and downloading the required file. It will take a few seconds or maybe few minutes depending on your internet connection. You have to wait here to download that required files. Be patient. Yeah, 80% already completed. You have to wait here for a few seconds to few minutes to complete download. After downloading all required file, it automatically install in your Windows. There is no need to order you to install. It will install automatically. It almost downloaded. Yeah, it's already downloaded all the files. Now it will automatically install. Just you can pass out this location. Yeah, you can see it's installing already without any order of user. Yeah, you can see the flowing feature was successfully installed. Now the netframework 3.5 is installed on your PC. Now close it. So that's all for installing 3.5 netframework. So that's all for installing procedure of netframework 3.5. Thank you very much.